Are you ready to read with me? For today's lesson, we will read another word, family. We will learn add family. First step, let us name the picture that you will see on the screen. Here is the first one. Dad, lad. Next one is mad. Here's the next one. Sad. And here's the last one. Pad. Here is the first one. Dad, lad. Next one is mad. Here's the next one. Sad. And here's the last one. Pad. Okay, this is the part, kids, that you will listen to the first sound you hear at the beginning of each word. Let's have the first one. Dad. Da. Da. That's right, that's letter D. Let's read the word. Da. Add. Da. Add. Dad. Let's have the next one. Lad. Lad. That is letter L. You got it right. Add. Add. What is the word? Lad. Let's have the next one. Mad. What's the first sound? That's letter M. That is letter M. Let's read the word. Add. Add. Mad. Let's have the next one. Sad. Sad. You're right, that's letter S. That's really quick. Sad. Add. Sad. And let's have the last one. Pad. Pa. Pa. That's right, it's pa. Let us read the word. Pa. Add. Pa. Add. Pad. Practice more with our flip book. Ready? Da. Add. Da. Add. What is the word? Dad. Add. Add. What is the word? Lad. Next word. Add. Add. What's the word? Mad. And the next one. Pa. Add. Pa. Add. What's the word? Pad. And here's the last one. Add. Add. What is the word, kids? Sad. There you go. Here is the last part. This is the part that you're going to practice by yourself. Try your best. Here is the first one. Dad. Here's the next one. Wow, yeah, lad. And next one is, that's right, sad. Next one, you got it, mad. Next one, yeah, pad. Very good. You can read AdWords. We are done with our lesson. Till next video, please don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.